In this tutorial, you will learn how to change slide backgrounds in PowerPoint. I am Lucy and let's get to the video without any delay. So first, go to your View tab and you will see this option, Slide Master. So it will open this new tab called Slide Master. So you just need to click on the master slide, and here you will see an option called background slides. So here there are a lot of colors and options to choose from. If you want more of these, you can just click on format background, and here at the right side you will see all of these options. So you have solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern fill. Just click on any of these and you will see you can choose from your gallery, your PC. You can also change how you want your gradient, like something like that, or you can just keep a simple feel in all of your backgrounds. So after you're done, just click on close master view and you're done. As you can see, I have changed my background with the color that I chose earlier. If you found this video helpful, do share and subscribe to this channel, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.